In 2025, digital-first startups are rewriting the rules of entrepreneurship as artificial intelligence and automation lower traditional barriers to entry, cut costs, and open opportunities for founders who once lacked access to big capital, specialist teams, or expensive infrastructure, because what used to demand huge offices, departments, and technical expertise can now be achieved with a laptop, internet connection, and smart use of digital tools, meaning that today's entrepreneurs can test, launch, and scale ideas with unprecedented speed. And this is creating a global wave of innovation that feels more inclusive and accessible than ever before. With AI-driven platforms handling everything from product design, customer support, and content creation to advanced data analysis and personalized marketing, which allows small teams or even solo founders to match the productivity once reserved for corporations, while automation systems seamlessly manage back-end tasks like supply chain monitoring, payroll, tax filing, inventory management, and scheduling, reducing overheads, human error, and delays, and freeing up entrepreneurs to focus on creativity, strategy, and customer value. And at the same time, no-code and low-code development platforms have matured into powerful ecosystems where people without programming skills can build apps, design websites, and integrate payment systems in days instead of months, making it possible for someone with a strong idea but no technical background to compete head-to-head with established tech players. And this is why global surveys show that more than 60% of new businesses in 2025 identify as meaning they operate primarily online and rely heavily on AI tech-enabled processes from day one. A shift also visible in how venture capital flows have adjusted, as investors are increasingly favoring leaner startup models that can achieve profitability faster and scale globally with minimal upfront resources, with an emphasis on agility rather than heavy spending. And this is giving rise to inspiring success stories where micro teams launch AI chatbots that deliver customer service to thousands, or use predictive analytics to forecast demand, or build automated marketing funnels that personalize outreach to millions of users without needing entire marketing departments, while virtual assistants powered by AI now handle scheduling, basic research, lead generation, and customer inquiries around the clock, allowing founders to work smarter and maintain near-constant presence without burning out. And automation in e-commerce, logistics, and digital payments means that selling across borders is no longer the privilege of large firms, but an option for any motivated entrepreneur, so that someone sitting in Karachi, Lagos, or Manchester can sell to customers in New York or Tokyo with the same ease as a local shop, and in many cases with better margins thanks to AI-driven cost optimization. Yet challenges remain, such as ensuring data privacy, avoiding algorithm bias that could lock out certain groups, and managing dependence on third-party platforms where sudden policy changes or technical failures could affect entire businesses. So resilience and ethical use of AI will be as important as speed and efficiency. And while some fear that automation may reduce jobs, the reality is that it is also creating new types of roles and digital